Okay guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel again. Sawadee Krap from Thailand. We're in Bangkok, Soi 12, aka some random alley that looks like a street, but it's actually an alley. So today we're gonna go pick up a SIM card. We're gonna go travel around here a bit. Got things happening everywhere. And I'm gonna tell you guys how I ended up here and the backstory and everything. We're gonna have some fun. Got here yesterday, took about 26 hours. Not too bad, short flight. And we're just gonna go see, man. So far, first impressions though, I love Bangkok. I haven't even been here 12 hours. I love Thailand. The people are so nice. And yeah, guys, all right, let's go do this. We're gonna go to, I think, Terminal 21. It's at the corner of my street. And I was told to go there because the SIM cards are cheaper than at the airport. So I see you guys soon. Okay guys, welcome back. Now we're at the Hidden Bangkok Tours, the local business. I saw them on YouTube, so I thought I would come check it out. Usually there's more boat, like there's, you guys are gonna see behind me sometimes, there's boats with more people, like actual tours, but it's super short. And they don't give you like a real good guide, and these guys are amazing. So support local businesses, guys. I'm a big proponent of that because I know, you know, we're really blessed in Canada and the US to have the stuff that we have. So when you come to different countries and everything, you really have to find the local businesses and support them the most. Not so much the ones that cater to tourists and, you know, the ones that come up first on Google searches, the bigger companies. So this is a family business, so that's why. So we're gonna be out here for probably something like 2 hours. And I really like this, guys. This is my vibe. I love these temples. These temples are absolutely beautiful. Guys, I really came to Thailand for the people. The people are what makes it make it so good, and everybody tells me that. So I wanted to start this YouTube channel because I always had a lot of fun making stories on Instagram when I traveled. And a bit about myself: I used to work at the bank. I graduated finance, got the job at the bank, was working as a stockbroker, as a matter of fact, for a better part of the last 4.5 years. And you know, if I want to take a trip to Thailand or something like that for a month, like I'm doing right now, I would have had to do, you know, damn close to 150 hours in overtime. And it killed me. I mean, working at the bank, you know, I was like 30 pounds lighter. That's where I lost most of my hair. I was in a long-term relationship that was very good. And about 2 years ago, during COVID, you know, I started to it was a bad period for a lot of people, myself included. Quit my job because I was overworked. Nobody was showing up anymore to work for the first 3-4 months of COVID. It burned me out. I continued to do it for another 9 months, and then March 2021, I just said, you know what? Enough is enough. For the last 10 years, I've been so frugal and saving all my money and really trying to just get ahead and build a little nest egg so one day I could do this. And so I had to make a decision in 2021. And a good part of the decision was because as well, that same year, 2 months before leaving my job, I lost my girlfriend of 7 years. We were together for 7 years. And unfortunately, we're no longer together. And I kind of lost everything at the same time. The girlfriend, the interest for the job, a couple other family things that I can't really talk about. And you know, it just made me question, like, what am I doing? I was turning 30, and I knew, as everybody says, it's kind of cliche at this point, but there is really so much more to life, guys. And I'm so blessed that for the last 8-10 years I've been making good small decisions, and that's kind of the that's kind of the subject of this discussion right here, is small good decisions, guys. If you make a lot of small good decisions, you may not feel them right away, but I guarantee you, you'll end up one day where you can make big life decisions. And they're not easy, they're scary. Trust me, they're scary. I think a lot of the time I'm thinking, should I go back to my job? You know, should I need more stability? Maybe I should try something else. Maybe it wasn't for me. But I've kind of been coaching a lot of my friends and close acquaintances on how to save money because of my career in finance, how to invest money, how to play the stock market and not lose it all, and not over leverage or take bad trades or stuff like that. And you know, I was going from making 6 figures at the bank regularly to now when I just manage my own portfolio, I'm making about a half of that, a half of what I used to make, or a third of what I used to make even. But I'm so much happier, guys. Like, everybody's always so focused on money, and you should be, you really should be. Like, if you don't, you should be. But if you have enough to where you can replace your job's income, or even get half and live comfortably, you know what I mean? Not live fancy yet. You know, everything in its time, guys. Life is, people say life is short, but life is actually very, very long. And just be patient. Just be patient. So many years. I wanted to have everything right away. I remember complaining at work. I don't want to be here anymore. I can do this stuff on my own. I can't wait to be out of it. And I was complaining and complaining and complaining. And eventually it came a time where I was comfortable enough to just go off on my own and do something and travel and manage my own stuff and get back in shape, put on more weight, you know, stop being so stressed out. And God bless, I mean, thank God that it all started coming together, guys, in the last year. But you know, 2022 was a difficult year for me as well. As you guys know, we started coming into a recession and everything, and I got really scared, really nervous, self-doubt, doubting myself, not knowing if it was possible. But I stuck with it. I stuck with it every day. I just woke up and I just reminded myself, small good decisions. Just do the most and the best that you can today, and tomorrow's another day. Work on yourself, learn new things, learn about cultures, learn languages, learn how to invest your money, guys. It's so important. And as I was saying, we're kind of blessed, you know, like in the Western world, if you're used to making 6 figures, you know, you're not gonna have a Lamborghini or everything, but you're gonna have a nice condo, a nice car, you're gonna be able to go out for nice dinners and stuff like that. But even if you're making 40 to 60 grand, guys, life isn't so bad in the West. A lot of people say that they want to move out to countries like this where you have more purchasing power, and I get that, But home is home for me. And I love traveling, don't get me wrong. I would stay abroad for months and months and months, but I love my home. And I really wouldn't trade it for anything now. Maybe in the future, but not now. So all that heavy talking to say, just try your best, guys. Just try your best. Don't compare yourself to everybody. You know, ego is it's a double-edged sword. You don't want to be comparing yourself to people above you, because the people above you are such a small percentage of people. But the people below you and the rest of the world is like 95%. So always keep your head up, guys. Oh, BMW M5 with a V10 in the background. You guys hear that? So guys, just try to be happy. I know everybody goes through bad situations. I could talk to you guys for hours about the stuff that I've been through in my life. But that's not the time for that. Just find peace. Find peace in whatever. Life is a balance, guys. Don't only focus on money. Don't only focus on girls. Don't only focus on religion. It's a balance. Life is a balance. You have to find the balance. This is what Buddhism is all about too. Speaking of Buddhism, because we're in Thailand. You have to find the balance between your finances, your spirituality, your relationships, your religion, your fitness. Don't go all in on one aspect. You know, you won't find true happiness like that. And I'm not telling you guys that I've found it. But I found a way to keep my happiness level above 60-70% most of the times, which is good. I can't complain. Like, if people are telling you they're 90-100% happy all the time, they're probably not being that honest with you. If you can stay happy just more than half the time, no matter what you're going through, guys, you win. You win. You're watching this video, you have internet, you have a cell phone. You guys won already. You guys are winning. So keep your head up, bro. Alright? Keep your head up and try new things. Try new things. Hey! Friends. Guys, we're near the Big Buddha. I gotta show you guys some tourist stuff too, no? I mean, it is a travel channel after all, right? So, we're about to go see this massive Buddha. I don't know if you guys can see it. You're gonna see it soon. Oh, there he is. Look at this guy. Look how cute this guy looks. So beautiful. Wow. That thing must be like 50, 60 meters tall. And everything is so clean. It's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. We just stopped. The boat tour told me that I have 15 minutes here. I wanted to go into that little temple behind us. Gonna have to take my shoes off, out of respect, of course. Same thing in mosques when I was in the Emirates. Yeah, what a beautiful day in Thailand. Absolutely gorgeous place. Everybody's so nice. What do we have here? Okay. What? Now I know you guys on YouTube don't always appreciate the tourist stuff because everybody does it, right? But there's just something great about spiritual places. Like, I don't really care about seeing like impressive buildings or modern condos or stuff like that. But anytime I can find a place of worship, oh my god, I'm gonna break my neck. Or like this. God, it's so beautiful. So apparently I have no idea what I'm doing because there's 5 floors here. Oh, this is the museum floor. Look at that. Wow. Obviously I'm not going to show you guys everything, but wow, look at this. I love this stuff, guys. I'm a big history freak. I mean, not like crazy, like I don't memorize stuff. But I mean, I love learning about different cultures and stuff. Look at how big this place is. It's like a museum. I don't know if these are things that people made to pay tribute or something. Because everything's in Thai. I can't read, or else I would. But look how crazy this is. Like as far as you can see on this entire floor. Oh, wow. Look at that. Guys, if you know what these symbols are, please leave it in the comments, because I don't know. I don't mean to be ignorant, but I just haven't done my research before. Wow. I don't want to say wow too much, but I'm actually impressed. It's absolutely beautiful. Let's go up to a different floor. Let's go see. Nice marble stairs. I only got 15 minutes before I gotta get back in the boat. I think there's one. Oh my goodness. What is this? Oh, see, it has pictures of the monks and everything. So much gold. I believe gold is synonymous with good luck in Asian culture as well. Because they use a lot of it, kind of like the Arabic people. Wow, look at that. The detail on some of these pieces is absolutely stunning. This should be the final floor. Look at the ceilings. It's so beautiful. Guys, please tell me if I'm being too much of a tourist or something. Oh my goodness, I think that's jade. Yeah. It looks like jade, but I mean, I imagine it must be expensive. Well, jade's not as expensive as diamonds and stuff like that, but I mean, wow, look at this. Gorgeous. Oh, there's like an echo. It's like an amphitheater. Oh, here we go. Whoa. Oh, and all of Bangkok. Look at that. This is crazy. I didn't cheat, guys. I didn't see this on video before. This is totally new to me. Wow. It just puts in perspective how big this guy is. Beautiful. Everybody who's watching this, who's Thai, you have a beautiful country, guys. Absolutely beautiful. The Royal Navy, their headquarters, and they have a beautiful monument as well. And if we go behind me, guys, back there, it's downtown Bangkok. Gorgeous day. What a gorgeous day. Look at this. Signing off here. We're going to be back. We're going to take a little left turn here, back to the place, have a little bite to eat, and I'll catch you guys later. And then to our little trip, our little boat trip here, guys behind us. I hope you guys had fun. I had fun. Look at this place. A little koi fish. You need to have a nice little meal by the water here. I think that's what I'm gonna do right now.